talaga ako pa sa inyo mag-surrender kayo. O gusto ninyong mamatay. Dalawa lang.
Ace Romero, and last question, Henry Uri.
Mayor, balikan ko lang si Captain Faeldon. Have you completely lost your trust and confidence in Faeldon?
That is a matter between me and Faeldon.
Okay. Okay.
Sabihin, you ask Faeldon after we talk.
Okay.
He will talk to me. As a matter of fact, he wanted to talk to me. According to Senator Goa, I said no. I do not talk. Wala akong history na makipag-usap kasi dati akong prosecutor. Noon pa lang, huwag kang magpunta sa opisina ko. If you visit me, the case will be filed. Magpadala ka sa akin ng mga regalo ko. Ngayon, yung hapon na yon.